ridiculous ways to make your day productive that actually work. Thanks for being on my channel. Kindly subscribe. Ever felt like productivity advice is written by robots who've never experienced the joy of a mid-afternoon nap? Me too. Let's fix that with some actual usable productivity tips that don't require you to wake up at 4 a.m. or subsist on, kale smoothies. So, number one, the 5 more things trick. The moment when you're about to close your laptop and call it quits, challenge yourself to do just more 5 things. Like before you stop, they can be tiny: answering an email, organizing one folder, or even throwing away that banana peeling that's been sitting on your desk for, since like Tuesday. This works because your brain loves closure. Plus, you will experience the oddly satisfying rush of crossing things off your list. When you're already tired and then you're like, 5 more things. So it's like finding that extra money in your pocket, but for productivity. Sounds good? Yeah, I know. Like, you get to do 5 more things off your list. Number 2, the strategic procrastination method. Now, you know how procrastination is bad, but you can weaponize it. Instead of fighting procrastination, weaponize it. Have a task that, you're having a task that you dread to do, great. Promise yourself to, if you can avoid it, but only if you complete 3 other tasks first. I don't want to work on this budget or report, but I will organize my digital files instead. Before you know it, your entire desk is organized, your plants are watered, like you've done more other productive work, all because you didn't want to do that one big task. So you can weaponize procrastination and actually be productive. Number 3, the kitchen timer revolution. That's also one of the things that you can use to be productive. Work within 25-minute chunks, followed by like a 5-minute break. It could be 30 minutes followed by a 5-minute break. This is the Pomodoro technique, but here's the fun part: during the breaks, do something ridiculously unproductive. Scroll up on TikTok, dance to one song, look at dog memes, call your mom and hang up at exactly 4 minutes, or call someone and talk to them for 5 minutes. And when you take those 5 minutes breaks, they give you that micro bursts of joy. They make focused periods bearable and remind you that life isn't all about spreadsheets and deadlines. Yeah. Number 4, talk to yourself like a slightly unhinged coach method. Yeah, when motivation wanes, become your own absurd motivational speaker. Like literally stand up and say things like, are we going to let this spreadsheet win? Not today. Excel, not on my watch. Like be your own motivational guru. The combination of physical movement, volume change, and sheer ridiculousness jolts your brain back into focus. Plus, your neighbors will think that you finally lost it. I hope not. Yeah. So now this adds an element of community building. You never know. So number 5, the reward system for adults. You remember those times of kindergarten where they will reward you with stickers, funny things, a clap. So now remember, you create absurd but meaningful rewards for completing tasks. Finish a report, use that fancy pen for the rest of the day. You've answered all your emails, you've earned the right to use your favorite mug. Like those ridiculous things that you reward yourself with can actually, help. The key is making rewards immediate and slightly ridiculous. That part of the brain that responds to incentives doesn't care if they are logical, if they are real incentives. But just because you've tricked your mind, like to give yourself small rewards every time you accomplish tasks, that can help you really be productive. Number 6, change your environment every 2 hours. Now this rule actually like helps. It tricks your brain because your brain craves novelty. Move from your desk to the kitchen table. Move to that weird corner of the living room that you never sit in. You know, taking your laptop to different spaces, it tricks your brain into thinking you're doing different tasks. Yeah, it does. So discover how uncomfortable, discover those clean corners in your house by moving around, or in that office by moving around your office, working from different environments. Yeah. So number 7, we are going to look at the power of productive delusion. Sometimes you need to channel your inner method actor, like having trouble focusing. Pretend you're someone who has their life together. Pretend like you're that organized girl, that organized guy. What would the organized you be doing? Like, what would the organized Faith be doing? Would I be cleaning up my desk, finishing my work, watching YouTube videos about being organized? Will I be color coding my calendar while drinking water from a glass bottle? Pretend that you're someone who is organized, who has their shit together for maybe just 30 minutes. You might be surprised on how long you can keep maintaining the character and how much you can actually accomplish within that short period of time when you're pretending to be someone else. Remember, the most productive days often don't look perfect. They are messy, filled with breaks, jokes, and the occasional existential crisis. The trick isn't eliminating the chaos, it's dancing with it while still getting things done. I hope this video helps you and makes your days more productive. Now, if you will excuse me, I need to go reward myself with exactly 7 minutes of TikTok because I just finished doing this blog. See you on the next video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for being here and God bless you.